Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone video freezing during playback. Don't worry, follow those simple step-by-step fixes to solve it fast. Step 1. Check your internet connection. If the video shows a cloud icon, it's streaming from iCloud. Connect to strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. Poor internet causes freezing. Step 2. Download the video fully. Tap the video and wait until download finishes. Try playing again. Partially downloaded videos freeze obtained. Step 3. Close and reopen the app. Swipe up and force close photos or the video app. Then open it again and play the video. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Power off your iPhone. Wait for 30 seconds. Then turn it back on. This clears temporary playback box. Step 5. Check storage space. Go to settings, then general, then iPhone storage. Keep at least 2 to 3 GB free space. Low storage can cause video freezing. Step 6. Turn off low power mode. Go to settings, then battery, then turn low power mode off. It can limit performance during video playback. Step 7. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Install any available update. Updates fix video codes and playback box. If videos still freeze, the file may be corrupted or the device may have a hardware issue. Try re-downloading the video or contact Apple support. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.